When you're first starting to sell digital products as a beginner, there are two problems that you faced, and I faced these as well when I first started. The first is, how do you even come up with an idea? Like, what do you even sell? And the second thing is how do you even sell it? And now that I'm a couple of years into selling digital products, I wanted to create something that solved those problems so that as a beginner, you can just basically get up and running, you can figure things out as you're actually going along and still make money. You don't need a following, you don't even need to have an email list. This is basically if you are starting from 0, 0, 0, zero experience, 0 followers, absolutely nothing. This is the exact thing that you need to start with to learn, make sales. Basically, it bundles everything into one so that you can actually start getting some traction. Okay, so I've got my little checklist up here because I just want to make sure that I cover everything for you. So the first thing that you obviously need is the digital product. Then you need a way to sell it. Then you need to know how to sell it. Of course, you want to know how much money you can make, and you want to know how fast it is to learn and install. Okay, so let's actually go through that as well. What is the digital product itself? So the digital product is called the First Sales System. This is something that I created because I was struggling so much back in the day to actually make my first sale and know how to learn the whole process. So this is the funnel here that is going to sell the digital product, okay? It's also the digital product itself. Now, what I mean by that is if you have a look in the back end, this is the system.io template that you get. Can you see here on the left-hand side, there are all these steps here? Okay, so that is the digital product number or part 1 of it, okay? So it's the actual funnel itself, it's the steps that you get, and it's the workflow that goes with it, okay? The next part that you get is you get all of the instructions and the videos and the training all included inside the funnel, okay? So this is part of the digital product. So this is already set up for you. All you have to do is go through, set it up, and learn the system and basically install it inside your system.io account, okay? So we've already covered the digital product. The way to sell it is the funnel. Now, how to sell it, the way that I teach you through here is because lots of people want to do faceless and they're really nervous about selling their first digital product. This is just basically to get your confidence up, right? Okay, so I teach you how to do it through Facebook first because the majority of beginners like yourself already have a Facebook profile, okay? Everybody understands how it works, and I teach you how to set up an optimized profile so that when you start posting on Facebook, people stalk you naturally and then they will see what you're selling and they'll be interested in it as well. So what I recommend that you do in here, and this is what I teach, you go into Facebook groups and once you've got everything optimized, you just start posting naturally about what you've learned and how things are going, and people are going to stalk you and then buy the product, okay? It's super simple. That's it, all right? So that is basically, how you're going to sell it, all right? Now, how much can you make? So inside the First Sales System, I have it priced at $17 because we need to price it for beginners, right? Because everybody's got to start somewhere. And then inside here, there is also something called the Template Toolbox Upsell, okay? Now, the Template Toolbox, let me just grab it so I can show you, because this is something that I created and it's actually taking me years to create this. Inside system.io, there are heaps and heaps of templates. Let me just grab it. The problem with the templates is inside system.io is that they're actually really clunky and they don't usually work for everything. So for like 2 years, I've been collecting all of the templates that I've used to sell digital products that actually work, and I've put them inside the system.io template toolbox. So these are templates that you can rebrand. You can basically do anything that you want with them. You can rebrand them, resell them. You can just resell them as there is, whatever. Now that is $147, okay? So we've got the $17 for the First Sales System. Then if you go with the Template Toolbox, that's $147. Now, something really super cool with both of these systems or both of these digital products is that the First Sales System, depending on where people are in their journeys, if they need to upgrade the System.io account and they're a new user, which this product obviously is for, if they need to upgrade, then there on the thank you page, I teach you exactly how to, help them upgrade. And if they upgrade, then you get a commission. Okay, so let's work that out in terms of pricing. Okay, so let me go back to my checklist. So how much can you make? Okay, so 147 plus 17 is $164. And if we go $164 times, let's just say you only make 3 sales a week, that is $492 US that you could be making. Okay, now how fast is it to learn and install? When you get the first sales system, I know it looks like it's heaps and heaps of stuff, but this whole funnel here, when you get your email, will install into your System.io account with one link and one click. All of that, all the design, everything like that is all done for you. You can update as much or as little as you want. And then it's just about setting up the pricing and stuff like that. But the thank you page takes you through all of the steps, all in order. So in terms of watching the videos, they're not very long, but that will be dependent on everybody's sort of learning skills. And then if you grab the template toolbox, it works exactly the same way. It will import into your system with one click. You can see it there, and it will look like this when it installs into your system. So it goes into your System.io account as a course. And again, you can go and install all of the templates. You can change whatever you like. There is everything that's set up for you, but it installs into your System.io account in one click. So if you don't know what digital product to sell, you're struggling to figure out how to actually just go from like point A to point B in terms of funnels and marketing and everything like that, I highly recommend that you start with these 2 products. I wish that I had these products at the start, because if I had just had these 2 products at the start, I wouldn't have needed anything else, because it teaches you how to do everything. You don't need like a super expensive course. You can just get started with these. So if you want to jump on board, the links are in the comment section below of the video, so you can grab them whenever you like.